Hello kids. So previously we learnt where to keep the full stop and when to start the capital letters. Yes. Now today we are going to learn to divide the word and read. So first, what do you want to identify with what the word starts? See, if we take, what is this? Can you say by seeing this picture? Yes, you all know that it is sun. Starts with sa. Yes sound. Okay. S-U-N, sun. So, according to this, sa, can you write some more words with sa? Sun, sing, sap, S-O-N, sun. So, like this, a word is used to write a letter is used to write the words. In the same way, today we are going to identify the blanks. T-R, tra, B-R, bra, D-R, dra. Means, by seeing the picture itself, we are going to identify from each and every word with what the word starts. Even if you find a new word which you don't know, according to the word it is beginning. So, T-R is for tra, B-R is for bra, D-R is for dra. Normally, if we see a word, a letter, previously you learned the pronunciations of A, B, C. A is pronounced as A, B is pronounced as Ba. In the same way, T is pronounced as Ta, R is pronounced as Ra. Ta, Ra. But when we take both and take, means we are mixing, we are blending two alphabets here and we are saying tra. The word is tra. If we take anything, tra, it starts with tra. So we are going to read these blends, identify and pronounce the blend. In every word, we are going to find which words are starting with this. So basing on this, today we are going to learn tra, bra and dra blends. By seeing and using these blends, we want to find some words basing on them. Okay. So let us see some of them, and basing on that, you try to remember some more blends and try to complete in your classwork. So how are you going to write in your classwork? Just divide your classwork into three parts. TR letter words, BR letter words and DR letter words. Write at least 10 words in your classwork basing on them. So let us now see some words that are starting with the blends. Tra, bra, dra. So all ending with R. Tra, bra and dra words. Okay. So let us go. Children, can you see the picture here? What is this? Yes, this is a tree. It starts with tra. TR, tree. So TR, it starts with the blend TR. Tree. TR, E, tree. Tra. Tra. Okay. Now see this picture. What picture is this? Can you see it? Tra. Truck. TR, tra. UCK, uck. Truck. Can you see the picture? Yes, it starts with the blend tra. TR, tra. Now see this picture, what it is? It starts with tra. Means by seeing the picture, by seeing the blend, you want to identify the spelling, the sound, the pronunciation of the word. TR, tra. AIN, ain, train. Can you see this? Yes, TR for tra. Now see the pictures here that start with TR, the blends TR. Tree. TR, tra. Im, trim. Trimming means cutting and making it as of same size or in a different type of order. We are going to trim it. TR, tra. Im. Trunk. TR, tra. UNK, unk. Trunk. Can you see? Yes, trunk. Trap. TR, tra. AP, app. Trap. TR, tra. AP, app. Trap. Truck. TR tra. UCK uck. Truck. TR tra. UCK uck. Truck. Next one. See the next one. What is that? Tractor. TR tra. AC ack. TOR ter. Tractor. Triangle. TR tra. IANGLE. Angle. Triangle. Trip. TR tra. IP ip. Trip. Trek. What do you mean by trekking? Going on to the hills or mountains is called trekking. TR tra. EK ek. Trek. Troll. TR tra. OLL all. Troll. Train. TR tra. AIN ain. Train. Now children, did you understand? When TR is there, starting for any word, we want to pronounce it as TR tra. TR stands for tra. We call them as blends. TR tra. Now see the blends that are starting with TR words. So these words you write. Take 10 words and write in your classwork. Try to write 10 words in your classwork which are the blends of tra. Now see this. What is this? Yeah, bread. What does it start with? BR means bra. Bread. BR bra. ED ed. Bread. So word starting with BR blend. So we call it as bra. Now see the next picture. What is this? Brush. BR bra. USH ush. Brush. Can you see that? Yes, it is starting with the blend BR. So whenever you get a word starting with BR, you want to pronounce as BR bra. USH ush. Brush means the word starting with BR. So we are learning the word starting with BR. BR for bra. Now next, see the next one. What color is this? What does it start with? Yes, it is brown. Brown. BR starts for brown. So BR bra. OWN on. Brown. Can you see this? Yes, BR stands for blend. Okay. Now see the next one. Who is he? Brother. So brother. 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 Now brother is a word which is starting with the blend BR. Okay. Now let us go with the words that are starting with BR blends. Okay. Bran. Can you see? It is the grain. Bran means nothing but the oats. Bran oats something will be there. So it is prepared from the grain. The outer part of a grain. Okay. Next one. Brush. Okay. It starts with BR. Break. 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 Next one is brown. 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 Brim. BR bra. IM. Brim. What is brim? Can you see that? The corner of a cap. It is decorated properly. Yes. The corners of the hat we call them as the brim. Next one is brad. It is a type of nail. A nail which is flattened down. See? Brad. Broom. You know the broom? Your mother sweeps in your house. So she uses the broom. Brave. Brave is a person who is very brave, can do anything. Brave. Brick. Did you see the brick? Brick is used to build a house. So BR bra. ICK. Brick. Broth. What is broth? BR bra. OTH oath. It is soup. It is a soup made by vegetables or veg or non-veg. Bride. Can you see the bride? Yes. BRIDE. Bride. Now children, see what is this? Yes, it is a drop. What does the word drop starts with? DR. Dra. So today we are going to learn DR blends also. So DR for dra. Drop. 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 What is this? What is he doing? Draw. He is drawing. So draw. D-R-A-W. Draw. D-R. Draw. A-W-R. Draw. So it is a blend. It is a word starting with the blend D-R. So we are reading D-R blends. D-R for draw. Okay. Now look here. What is she doing? She is drinking. Drink. D-R. Draw. I-N-K. Ink. So it is also a word starting with the blend DR. So DR, draw, I-N-K, ink. So many words are there. So previously in our lesson we learnt Anya and the dragon. It starts with the blend DR. DR for draw, A-G-O-N, agon, dragon. Can you see the dragon here? Yes, DR, draw, A-G-O-N, dragon. So dragon is a word starting with the blend DR for draw. Now see some more. We can see some more blends that are starting with DR. Okay. Now drip. Water is falling one by one. The water is dripping. So D-R-I-P, drip. The blend starting with drip. Dresser. D-R-E-S-S-E-R, dresser. Can you see that? Yes. Drop. D-R-O-P, drop. Drum. D-R, dra, U-M, drum. Dryer. Why do you use the dryer? To dry the clothes or something else. Okay. D-R, dra, Y-E-R-R, dryer. Drink. D-R, dra, I-N-K, ink. Drink. Dress. D-R, dra, E-S-S-S, dress. D-R, dra, I-L-L, ill, drill. D-R, dra, A-G-O-N, agon, dragon. So dragon, these all are the words which starts with DR. We call them as the blends. Okay. So here you can see some more words that are starting with DR. Draw, drive, dream, drop, dragonfly. Can you see the dragonfly? Yes, there are some more words which are starting with DR. Children, you complete 10 words in your classwork that starts with DR. Okay. Children, now open your volume, page number 17. Can you see here? 1, 2, 3. See down start. And you can see some stars. And last ending after 16 winner is there. That means you are going to play a game. Do you have a dice in your home? If you don't have a dice, cut the eraser and just mark the points. Okay. 1 to 6. Okay. It becomes a square. Then mark 6 points. First one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you are going to play a game. Okay. Now take your dice and throw it. So whatever word, if your dice is 2, if you get, when you throw it is 2, see what is there on 2. On 2 you can see DR. Means you want to write a word on DR. So you can write any word. DR, draw, drop, drain. Any word you can write with DR. Now after writing that, again take your dice and again roll it. Now if you get some 3, you just after 2 take 3 fingers and count 3, 4, 5. Now you got star. If you get a star, again you want to throw the dice. Now throw the dice once again. If you get again 2, then after 5 take 2 fingers, 6, 7. Now 7. On 7 you have TR. The means the words that are starting with TR blend. You can write a word starting with TR. Okay. Again you take your dice. Until you are the winner, go on throwing the dice and try to write the words basing on the box you got. Whatever box you got, you can write in that the blend. No need of writing all the blends. Whatever you get when you throw the dice, according to that number, you want to throw it and you want to play the game. If you are going to get a star, you can again throw the dice. In that way you can complete your box and you can win it. Okay. Try to play this game and complete your words blends with TR, BR and DR and complete the volume page number 17 and send a pic to me. Okay? Very good.